If it comes, we'll hop on the four-wheelers and we'll get away.
Yep.
We can always go faster.
Because look at the
End of the story timeline.
How are you recording this?
Yeah, trying to.
Typically, clouds always move to the west.
But tornadoes can't go down hills.
No.
Nope, it needs to be on flat land. You're right.
Look, it's bouncing back up.
And to get
Look at it. It is. It's going back up. It's going back up.
No wonder everybody was standing by at that trailer.
Yep.
Yeah, I was wondering.
I couldn't figure it out either.
Here we are, oblivious, just toting along.
Oh, we weren't toting along.
I was hauling. I was like, I don't even care. I'm hauling right now.
I know. I told Amber, open her up.
Why don't you just leave that on for now? Just leave that on for now. In case we have to jump back on the quad.
So hey, if we were gonna make a plan,
Yeah,
Plan
let's
is
make one.
I would say
trees.
mountains.
Yeah,
Wouldn't
mountains is yeah.
Oh, the gully. Any like gully? It's.
I don't know of any gully.
That looks pretty safe over there.
I know what my plan is.
Well, what about the rancher's house?
Yes,
Isn't there a house
you're
right
exactly right. Straight up, we go to the house. 100%. Good,
So we're
good
there.
call. Yep.
Alrighty, Howard broke every single beer I had.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a beer.
right
Appreciate that, Coors Light.
Coors Light too.
Babe, you
Whoa,
don't really need any.
that one touchdown. Hey, that one just got big.
Babe, I'm serious.
I don't care.
Well, I do.
Should I send this to my mom and really give her a scare?
No.
I bet my sister Ashley's tripping balls right now.
Okay, she's going back up. She's going back up.
Yep.
This is crazy.
I can't believe this.
This is my.
You said you
day
put
off.
my phone in the truck, Megan?
You don't need to.
She's already moving west.
Yeah, but yeah.
Oh, she's lifting up. Oh.
Oh, did you see that? You see that, bud? See how the.
It's bouncing up and down.
I suppose we can't get any radio stations here, can we?
106.9.
Yeah, you can get 106.9.
Do you have the keys to my truck?
It's moving that way.
It's dissipating. It got thinner. Oh, hell. Where's the meteorologist when you need one?
Yeah.
Here, Amber.
They're in the cabinet. I feel like that's getting bigger.
But it's on the other side of that ridge, so I hope that ridge helps us out. Uh-oh.
What does that mean? Was that one-arm Willie?
Huh?
Was that one-arm Willie hungry? Howard, you're not even getting the tornado in the picture.
Whoa.
It's coming this way.
Oh.
The tornado.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Well, I'm hoping that ridge. It is that ridge. We got a kid here with us.
It's lifting up.
It's lifted up. It's not touching.
So dirty, your face.
I know. I looked at Howard and I was like, OMG, what does my face look like? Oh, we are covered in dirt.
Get a picture of this.
Covered in dirt.
She's not moving fast.
Not at all.
We're gonna need you to. Here, Amber. Your face isn't dirty because you had a helmet. Wait, I'll need to get up close to it. 1, 2, 3.
Our teeth is dirty too.
You guys are taking a selfie with a tornado in the background?
Yes, because of our dirty
Oh my
faces.
god, what's on my head up here? I don't know. It's lightning still over there.
Well, we look pretty haggard here.
Haggard. Holy moly.
I think she's breaking up.
Do you see how thick she is at the top of her?
Yeah.
No, I think this. Oh, can't tell.
Oh, she's tearing. She's touching. Yeah, pew pew.
He did that to me this morning.
That's our sign.
CJ knows.
It's kind of green right here. You see it?
On the right side?
Where's
Right.
green?
Right in the middle.
I don't
Isn't it?
see green.
Kind of green right here. A little
I'm
bit.
just not seeing green.
I don't either.
I not see
Maybe
green.
I'm just.
Then again, I can't really see. Ooh.
Ooh, it's going up.
They would break into a countdown, wouldn't they?
No.
Do what?
They would break into a countdown, wouldn't they?
I don't think so.
What's the countdown?
Like a top 30 countdown.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What's the top 30 countdown?
Like the top 30 countdown.
This tree's in my way.
It's in my way too. It's
Like
really
the
irritating.
best country music.
Amber says, no,
Oh
it's not
yeah, yeah,
spinning.
yeah. That's what you're meaning?
Yeah.
Yes. 100%.
Really spinning.
She's spinning, but she's not doing anything.
It's not circling.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know.
Look, it broke up. It's breaking up there.
Like that way?
It probably has a hard
There you
time
go.
doing anything
Well, it's with the mountains.
with the mountains. Amber's right. On the flatland, that thing can just land and go. I remember in Minnesota we would get those things.
She's going sideways now.
Is that good?
Yeah. Good thing is the wind is going this way.
Mm-hmm. Meg, remember when we were heading back to South Dakota, and
Yeah.
they started dropping, and we just stayed on the east side of them, and they were dropping out. Rogue.
Where is she?
She's trying to get the eggs out.
Stop it.
What town were we trying to figure out? It's like Quest or something. As long as it stays windy.
It's not picking up any debris or anything.
Does that look like it's picking up tempers?
Yeah, that's good. That's a good plus there,
Put
buddy.
your coat up, buddy.
Everything is to the east of us.
Is this when Mother Nature's trying to tell us that we have to go home?
I think it's at the east.
Realistically, how many miles do you think that's away? 5 miles? 10 miles?
I'd say
Yeah.
probably 5.
Does my face look like Howard's?
Yes, we all do.
Here,
Look like
keep on
her.
recording. I'm gonna go get my coat.
Okay.
I mean, I know yours does. I just didn't want to say anything.
Megan was like, wow, Shannon.
We're like the people out here taking the video, and everybody's like, nice guys, you're just going to be out there taking the video.
It's just right here. Really.
That's what I said. I was like, I feel like I have a mustache.
I can't even hold it straight. I'm so cold.
Yeah, you had a helmet on, buddy.
Look at this is the shakiest video in life. I can't even control it.
All right, well, I'm gonna back that truck up and hook up. while we're sitting here.
I think
Nate or chasing.
put the legs up yet.
I can keep an eye on it.
Howard, do we need to start packing stuff up?
It's gonna take me a lot longer, so.
Why? I already did everything. All you have to do is put the legs up. That's on video. Well, it's true.
Pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. Mother Nature at its best.
The mother storm.
Mother of all mothers. Here, Howard, I can't hold this.
See, if we're by the ocean, it would have been a sharknado.
I'm not nervous because we're not on farm land.
I feel like I really have to watch what I say
Nebraska
right
and saw that, I'm like, we're heading for the hills. Right now. The only thing that's scarier with tornadoes is it can go up, pop down at any point.
Yeah.
That's the scariest part about it. See, that's why it takes him so long to do everything, because he pretends that he's I'm gonna pull your truck over, Howard, and start putting our stuff in.
Yeah, put out your personal here. I want to stop recording. It's my first tornado this close.
Are you cold? Do you want my jacket?
I'm thinking it hits those mountains, it's just gonna bounce.
Where am I supposed to go? How am I supposed to get around this?
This way.
I don't think I'm gonna.
Amber, we've been doing this getting wood the whole time. Here's one arm Willie to the right.
Yep.
Amber, you're fine.
She can't. Ah! We got a child. We got, yep. We gotta clean the back. Yes, we gotta clean that out. I lost my tornado. There it is. I think it's heading that way now, bud.
Hey, CJ. Can you move it forward a little bit?
Yeah.
What's it doing, Howard?
Still dancing. Amber. I think it's in that valley now. Ugh. Don't you think? Don't you think it's like going towards that valley? We're down in that highway.
Yeah, that's my other concern. Isn't that the direction we're going? To get home?
Kind of. Where's Picus Picus? It's right there, right?
Did that thing move east?
Yeah, it's still moving. I'm gonna stop because it's kind of burned into the background.
Hang on, I gotta get in there.
I can't see Merv. I swear I can't see him.